absolutely excruciating pain. They are a hot crop this year. Can't believe I just ate that. I know water doesn't help. I'd have to go for the milk. Do not try this at home. I ate the rest. I don't know why I did it. Yeah, I did. Oh. I see the family asking if I'm alright. Not really. I don't know if you can see the tears. I'm just trying to film this myself and it's pretty amateur-like. Holy. Eating Nagas can cause heart palpitations, dizziness, extreme burning in your stomach. I've said to myself many times I'd never do this again. Start of the season, first basket of chilies. I had to try one. Insane. Never again, I think. Thank you. Do not eat the Naga.